Girl, I feel like we've been surviving off boiled peanuts, chips, and them little peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that go in the freezer. So let's come on and see what this $500 can do in the grocery store. This is my first time like actually vlogging a grocery haul, so I'm very uncomfortable. Welcome back to my channel, girlies. And as you can tell by the title, baby, we are doing a full grocery haul. The house is empty, the shelves are bare. Okay, we need to do an absolute full restock. So I already made my grocery store list because I'm sticking to the list. It don't matter what we look at, we not picking it up. When you get in this store, don't you touch nothing. Keep your hands on this cart. We coming in this store for groceries and groceries only. Okay? Okay, now that we got that disclaimer out the way, I made a list so that way we can stay accountable. Because, girl, y'all know at the beginning of the year, I was doing real good. And somewhere along the way, that man pissed me off. And I went on a cooking strike. I literally probably went like 2.5 months without cooking. Yeah, because don't piss me off. One band, one sound. If I'm angry, then pots is, you better figure it out. So, I got us a grocery store list, and the list is quite lengthy. Like, we got some stuff to get. Our budget is $500. I shop at more than one grocery store because people be too high. So the first stop up is Aldi. We're going to go on Aldi. We're going to get as much of this stuff as I can. Like, I know I can get fish sticks, fries, bread, lunch meat, like hamburger helper. I can get like those things from here. And then when we leave Aldi, we're going to mosey and trickle on over to Walmart, because that's where we get everything else. Like my ranch and stuff, I can't use all them different kind of wrenches. Some stuff, a lot of stuff, I will cut corners and like, I don't have to have a name brand on it. But when it comes to my wrench, baby, we go through wrench like water. Okay? And I need it to be Ken's. I can't eat that other wrench on no consistent basis. Like if I'm out at somebody's little function or whatever and they ain't got Ken's, I'm going to be understandable because that ain't my, you know what I'm saying? But as in my house, I need Ken's. Absolutely. So I know for sure I got to get that from there. I got to get like my pineapple juice and stuff like that. Oh, I was on TikTok and I seen that Kinder's now has chicken bites. So I'm going to see, remind me when I get in here, I'm going to see if they got it, girl, because I want to try them. I think they had a garlic parmesan and a honey butter. I know they had the honey butter because that's the one I was like, oh, that kind of looked good. So first up, Aldi, girl. Let's go. Okay, let's see what's first on the list. I don't think I need nothing from over here. No. So let's go find the bread, because we need that. Oh, I'm so tempted to get me some bubbles, some champagne. But today is day one of me not drinking, so I ain't gonna do it. Okay. Okay, let's get a little Hawaiian. My gosh, a little honey. Oh, that one real soft. Let's get a little honey wheat bread. Okay. Oh, I don't know who I seen with these cookies, but baby, when I say these cookies so good, I'm gonna get these. I think I had ended up grabbing these, and they ended up being really good. So we're gonna get 2 of them. We're gonna put them back, because girl, I don't want mine all crunched up. But I'm gonna try these key lime ones now, because when I say that was the best lemon cookie I had, girl, please. That cookie was so good. I'm gonna get us some oatmeal pies, because snacks is on the list. We don't really eat like too much junk food, but you know, every now and again you just want a little something. Okay, on to chicken, because we need a little chicken. I'm gonna get my chicken wings in the bag from Walmart. So let's just find some chicken breasts. I'll be trying to find the cheapest one. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, that one's 10.29. We're gonna get the 10.18 one though. Oh, thank you, girl. You cute. This is my first time like actually vlogging a grocery haul, so I'm very uncomfortable. We need barbecue sauce. Oh, they only have one? That can't be right. Hold on, babe. We don't really go through barbecue that often. Let me just grab two, because as soon as I say that, it's gonna start disappearing. And clearly everybody is looking for the same one. Okay, here we got honey. This is the one we get right here, girl. Oh, they ain't got no ranch packets? Oh, that's ghetto. I'm gonna have to get it from Walmart. Okay. Okay, let's see. These fall under chips. I've seen these. Let's try these. Huh, look at the little Aldi store. That's cute. We're gonna do the tomato, basil, and garlic. A 3 cheese. I grabbed the last one. I've never used that. Is that gonna be good? We're gonna try it. Okay, so my husband has asked me for lunch meats. We don't ever even buy lunch meat. So now I'm like, what lunch meat do I get? And girl, first of all, vlogging and doing shorts at the same time is so difficult. Please. Please. Well, let's see. He said turkey. So they got this mesquite smoked turkey breast. Where's my camera at? I think we're gonna do this one. And then he said a honey baked ham or just get the regular ham. And I don't see no honey baked, nothing. So I guess we're gonna get this one. Okay, people always see, that's why I don't be vlogging in public, because why would you talk to me? Ew. We go through these chicken nuggets, so I'm gonna get these. Okay, I know we need steak fries. That's on my list. What are they at? I don't know, it's somebody little potato that we just love. And a different cut is just, oh. Okay, so we know we needed that. Let's go to my list. Let's see, we checked off some stuff. Okay, steak fries, we took off the chicken wings. Chicken nuggets. They don't have my mini lobster tails. Let's take off the shrimp. Let's take off chicken. Oh, I had shrimp on here twice. We can take off butter. We can take off jambalaya rice. Oh, we can take off lunch meat. I didn't get hamburger helper. Now we just need the pasta sides, not necessarily the rice and pasta sides. Okay. What else we need from over here? I don't think we need nothing else from out the cold section. Let me go back and get this other stuff. One. We're gonna do 4 of those. We're gonna do 4 lemon pepper. I don't see any onion powders. Oh, here we go, here we go. Quit playing. I'll probably get 6 of those. We're running real low on that onion powder. Okay. Please explain to me why they're so fucking close to my car. Now I gotta get in on the passenger side. Ugh. Okay. We're gonna have to just get in and climb over. Cause why would you park that close to me? And then I had to check my door to make sure he ain't hit me, because why would you park that close to me? Oh, that's crazy. Like, we door to door. Anyway, girl, we are out of Aldi. We only spent, where my receipt at? We only spent $135.52, so we is sticking to the $500 budget, okay? Period. Now, let's look at the list. Oh, girl, it's hot. Ouch. Okay, let's look at the list. Let's see. Girl, the list still long. Girl, the list still long. But this the whole list. We don't have to scroll for it no more. But we still, oh, we need to take this off because I got the onion, garlic, and lemon pepper from out of there. So take that off. What else I got? Oh, I got the pasta. Okay, yep, we can take that off. I got the hamburger helper. We can take that off. Okay. Okay, that helped a little bit. So now this is our list. We can like see the title now. So period. Off to Walmart we go. Oh, not I done got the cart that squeak, child. Please. Okay, we gotta stay focused because I will get distracted in this store, child. We're gonna start in the back and work our way to the front. I got my bone broth. Take that off the list. I need a yogurt, and they never have my dairy-free key lime yogurt. That stuff is nasty. I tried this one, and it's absolutely disgusting. So now I don't know. Is this a Greek yogurt? I need it to be dairy-free. And that don't look like that's dairy-free. What is too good? They don't even have a key lime one. What is that? Vanilla? Ew. That's so dumb. And I thank you. Okay, next is eggs. Y'all be getting brown or white eggs? Because I switched over to brown a couple of years ago. And I don't really know if it's no difference, but I like eating brown eggs. Now, I don't like getting white eggs no more. So, okay. Check that off the list. Hold on. Eggs can go. Juice can go. Oh, let me get some more of them peanut butter and jelly round things. Let's go back this way. Uh-oh. There is no one else like my daddy. I thought about getting some of them like Tostinos. What it is? These little pizzas that used to be $1. I thought about getting some of them, but I don't know if they're gonna taste right. Maybe I should just do like 1 or 2. I think I'm wasting my money. I just really feel like I'm gonna waste my money. I ain't even got the mouth to trip on ya. New phone. Who is this? I ain't got no room for extra baggage. Don't forget to come on. Don't leave no pieces. We don't even eat like Hot Pockets. I think I'm finna get some because I be wanting something quick sometimes. I haven't had a Hot Pocket in so long. None of them even sound good. Buffalo chicken. Oh, I think we used to eat the Philly cheesesteak ones. This probably ain't even real chicken, is it? I'ma get it. It's this kind. I'ma get it. And then, well, let me see if we eat them first. Or I just get a whole nother flavor. Because I was going to get the small Philly cheese one, but I don't even see that. So, nope. Don't need none of that stuff. Let's go back to the list. That wasn't even on my list. Oh, let's take off orange juice. What do I need from down here? Probably nothing. I do need to start finding like little quick dinners though. But I don't know. We've both like, he's always been like this because his mama cooked, but I've gotten into, since being with him, like not eating a bunch of processed stuff because it don't taste right. So okay. I guess I'm gonna have to get back in the swing of cooking. Oh, we need tater tots. I don't need that. Oh, but the 12. We need to replace the ice cream sandwiches. When I say this some good juice, this right here is some good juice. They don't have my regular cranberry. That's okay. I think I'm gonna get some tart cherry, cause y'all know I'm not drinking right now. So I'm gonna put this in like my little bedtime cocktail. I'm gonna get this size for my husband because we always get him and he be eating mine. So let's just eliminate that problem. About the feeling with you, and I don't wanna forget all the life we captured the day we met. Yes. Okay, we got that one. I need a sleepy time tea. Oh, what's this? Pack a bag and get away fast. Oh, that's immune and stress. That's terrible. Okay, hold on. Hey y'all, we done made it home. I was gonna do a grocery haul with y'all, but it looks like a madhouse in here because he's working on some meal preps and it's literally stuff everywhere. So that is gonna be the end of this vlog. We stay in our budget. Our budget was $500. We only spent $364. I just totaled it up. And I got everything on my list. I didn't get nothing extra. So thank you, did good. But this is all the stuff that we got, and now it's time to put it all up. And I don't really know what else, but thanks for shopping with me, girl. Thanks for tuning into the vlog. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Love you, bye.